Most automation tutorials show you five-figure months from tools that cost $15 a month. They don't tell you what actually breaks. Here are 5 tools that genuinely run in the background, plus the honest cost and the one thing they can't do. Number 1. Make.com or Zapier. These are workflow automation platforms. The idea: connect your apps and trigger actions with zero manual work. Example: when someone fills a form on your website, it automatically adds them to an email list, creates a spreadsheet row, and sends them a welcome email. Cost ranges from free tier up to $80 a month for serious volume. Honest limitation: these tools are terrible at judgment calls. If a task needs you to decide whether something is actually good or spam or worth following up on, you're still doing it manually. They're flow engines, not brain engines. But if you have repetitive data-moving tasks, they're worth the setup time. Number 2. ChatGPT with API or a scheduled automation layer. You can use tools like N8N, that's N8N open source, to run ChatGPT at set times. Real-world use: a content creator feeds ChatGPT a list of 10 topics every Monday. It generates first drafts overnight, and they wake up to editable copy. Cost: maybe $5 to $10 in API tokens per week if you're doing this at scale. Limitation that actually matters: generated text needs editing. Most people skip this part. If you're building a brand and posting raw AI output, the quality floor is noticeably lower. Editing takes almost as long as writing sometimes. So it's not truly passive, it's semi-passive. Number 3. Typeform or Google Forms plus Zapier. Automate your data collection and response. Someone takes your survey, their response is automatically populate a database, and you get a notification. Real use case: a freelancer uses this to collect client requirements overnight while they sleep, standardize the data, and start work from an organized template the next morning. Cost is practically nothing. Typeform is free for basic use. Zapier's free tier handles it. The limitation: surveys collect data, not insight. You still have to read, understand, and act on what people tell you. This tool saves you the manual typing, not the thinking. Number 4. OpenAI's Assistance API or Claude's API with scheduled jobs. This is more technical, but it works. You set up a bot that processes emails, categorizes support tickets, or summarizes customer feedback on a schedule. No human touching it until the summary lands in your inbox. Cost ranges from $10 to $50 monthly, depending on volume. Honest opinion: most people overestimate how smart this gets. It categorizes decently. It misses context constantly. If your business depends on zero errors, you're babysitting it, not sleeping. If you can tolerate 80 to 90% accuracy, it's genuinely useful overnight work. Number 5. Scheduled content posting with Buffer or Later, powered by AI drafting tools like Jasper. Write once, auto-post across platforms on the schedule that drives engagement. Some people report consistent posting actually moves the needle on reach. Cost: Buffer is $15 monthly. Jasper starts at $40. Limitation: scheduling only works if your content is actually good. A bad post on a schedule is just more bad posts. You're not replacing the creative thinking, you're automating the distribution. And honestly, consistency matters less than quality for most creators. Don't expect this to fix a weak content strategy. Takeaway: these tools genuinely run overnight, but they're not magic. They handle repetition, data moving, and distribution. They don't replace judgment. Start with one, probably Make.com or Zapier, and build something tiny that actually saves you time before you pay for more. If you want the tools people actually use instead of hype, subscribe, and we'll break down more next week.